Hi guys, today I will explain how to apply effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open the project in which you apply effects, and also import your video. As you can see, I do all these things now. Time to apply the effects. Applying effects in Adobe is not really hard, because you will get all the effects inside it. You don't have to go anywhere. Now take a look on the left top. You can see the option of Effect Control, Effects and Text. From here, click on the option Effects. And on the second last, you can see the option of Video Effects. These are the effects which are available in Adobe, and you can apply it. Simply expand this feature, expand that which you want to apply, just for showing you. I will expand this one. 4 effects are available in Adjust, so I will apply the lightning effect. Now look at my video. After applying that effect, it will be changed. Tap on effect, take it, and paste on that part on which you want to apply it. As you can see, lightning effect has been applied and now it's a bit changed. In order to edit this effect, tap on the option Effect Control. Scroll down, and here is the lightning effect. Here you can edit by yourself, and it was the way by which you can apply effects in Adobe.